Lake Garda, situated in the north of Italy between the Alps and the plain of the Po, some 65 meters above sea level, is the largest lake in the country. The northern part of the lake is one of the top mountain bike areas in Europe. The mild climate, the surrounding mountains, and the early start to the mountain bike season make the Lago di Garda between Limone and Torbole one of the best mountain bike destinations in Central Europe. On the northeast bank of Lake Garda lies Mercedes-Benz, a picturesque village with 3,500 inhabitants, often referred to as the Pearl of Lake Garda. Its special feature is the constant state of the wind around Mercedes-Benz. This is the location of what is to all intents and purposes the North Italian Yachting Center. No wonder the third staging of the important yachting event took place for the first time in Italy at Lake Garda.
It's the third World Final, and after Dubai and the America's Cup destination Valencia, we decided to choose the most challenging inshore sailing location in Europe, hosting World Championship and other famous regattas.
But the key question was, who's going to win the World Cup final this year? To get into the final, 8 amateur sailing teams have qualified in nationwide races, organized by BMW dealers. The crews have trained hard because representing their country in the world final means a lot to them.
We love being on the water and just racing because it's a great skill for us to try and develop, and we just love it.
New Zealand, Great Britain, Denmark, and Italy qualified for the semi-final races. At the end of the day, the result is clear. The final competition is between Italy and New Zealand. A sheer sporting contest. A fantastic final that was nothing if not thrilling. No team gave anything away to any other team. This was the art of sailing at its peak. The winners from New Zealand in boat number 2 were over the moon.
Both had a bad start, but we came off worse. And it was a bit of a fight all the way around, and to come back towards the end there was really, it's always good to come back from behind.
The old custom of having the skipper keel-hauled was honored despite the ice-cold water. During the evening event, when the prizes were presented, skipper Matteo Simoncelli accepted second place serenely and sportingly.
We didn't win, so we're happy anyway because we had very good races and the New Zealand guys did a great job. And I hope next year we will bring the cup to Italy.
And finally, Denmark sailed to a highly respectable third place.
It's beautiful, it's the best sailing you can get, it's a good atmosphere.
The most important thing is not to win, but to be a part of it.
We make what we can do, the best we can do, and it finished at the 7th, but a lot of fun for us.
See you next time at the BMW Sailing Cup World Final.